Hi there! Have you ever heard of sheep's milk? If not, you're in for a treat today. Sheep's milk is a hidden gem that's been enjoyed for thousands of years. It's packed with nutrients and offers a treasure trove of health benefits you might not be aware of. Let's dive into why sheep's milk could be the superfood your health needs. First off, it's incredibly rich in nutrients. Imagine a glass of milk that's loaded with calcium, phosphorus, vitamin B12, and riboflavin. These nutrients are essential for maintaining strong bones and overall health. So if you're looking to boost your calcium intake, sheep's milk might be your new best friend. But that's not all. Sheep's milk is also a powerhouse for reproductive health. Thanks to the vitamin B12 and folate in it, this milk helps support reproductive health, maintain healthy blood pressure, and promote bone mineral density. It's like a triple win. And let's talk about your immune system. Sheep's milk has antioxidant properties that help eliminate free radicals from your body. This means it can help prevent oxidative stress and chronic ailments. A stronger immune system? Yes, please. Now here's something amazing. Sheep's milk can help lower cholesterol. The monounsaturated fats in it are great for reducing cholesterol levels, which can lower the risk of heart attacks, atherosclerosis, and coronary heart disease. Your heart will thank you. If you struggle with digestion, sheep's milk might be the answer. It's naturally homogenized and contains more medium-chain fatty acids and smaller fat globules, making it easier to digest. Say goodbye to digestive woes, and there's more good news. Some studies suggest that the high content of nucleotides and nucleosides in sheep's milk may help lower the chances of cancer and oxidative stress. While more research is needed, this is a promising benefit. Wait, did I mention it's great for your skin too? The vitamins and minerals in sheep's milk can help improve skin appearance and overall health. Glowing skin from the inside out? Yes, please. Finally, let's not forget bone health. Sheep's milk contains ample amounts of zinc, calcium, and magnesium, which are crucial for promoting bone mineral density and preventing osteoporosis. Strong bones for a strong life. So there you have it. Sheep's milk is a nutrient-dense superfood that can boost your health in numerous ways. It's time to give this ancient elixir a try and see the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and inspiring content. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.